So we made a stop at Fiery Canyon, I think it said. We're going down to the viewpoint. This whole area is like amazing. Snow in the background. We're trying to hang around until sunset. This is all so beautiful. Not a bad walk. And what a view.
That's one of those guys. I have a ton of respect for him.
This national park is amazing. I'm very grateful that somebody thought to preserve it. We're heading to Sand Dune Arch. So, well, behind the ginormous rock formation, we have lots of snow. Very cool to go between the formations. With no permit to do this, huh? Might have to be pretty slender though. Wow, look at this. Holy smoke. Look at this place. So we've come from there. I just love these hikes between these rock formations. It's pretty amazing. Don't think we can make it up there with the ice. We'll stay on the gravel. Okay. We are under an arch. Okay, I'm loving being between these rock formations. I don't even know the name of it, but it's very cool. So it's about sunset. That's beautiful.